How many campaign types are there in Google Ads? Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawin. Welcome back to my channel, where we talk about everything related to digital marketing. In today's video, we'll discuss the various types of campaigns available in Google Ads. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to join my channel. Google Ads is an incredibly powerful platform that can help you reach your target audience and achieve your business goals. However, it can be overwhelming to know all the different campaign types and their purposes. Don't worry, after this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to get the most out of Google Ads. Google Ads campaigns are a set of ad groups that share a budget, location targeting, and other settings. Campaigns are the first step in creating ads on Google Ads, and advertisers can have multiple campaigns running simultaneously. One of the most popular campaign types is search ads campaigns. As the name suggests, these ads appear in search engine results pages when users search for specific keywords. Search ads campaigns are highly targeted, and you can choose different keyword match types to reach your audience. For example, if you're selling shoes, you can have a search ads campaign targeting keywords like buy shoes online, shoe stores near me, and shoe discounts. Another type of campaign is display ads campaigns. These ads appear on websites that are part of the Google Display Network. Display ads campaigns can use different ad formats, including images, videos, and HTML5. These ads can help you raise brand awareness and reach new audiences. Video ads campaigns are another popular campaign type. These ads appear on YouTube and other Google partner video sites. Video ads campaigns can use different ad formats, including skippable and non-skippable ads, bumper ads, and more. These ads can help you tell your brand story and engage with your audience. If you're an e-commerce business, shopping ads campaigns can help you increase your sales. These ads appear on Google Search, Google Shopping, and Google Partner websites. Shopping ads campaigns show product information, including the product name, image, price, and merchant name. Last but not least, app ads campaigns can help you promote your mobile app. These ads appear on Google Search, Google Play, YouTube, and other Google Partner sites. App ads campaigns can show your app to users who are searching for apps like yours or have already installed your app. And that's it. These are the main types of campaigns available on Google Ads. I hope this video helped you understand how to choose the right campaign type for your business and achieve your goals with Google Ads. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.